Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video, and that's about one of our favorite TV series Yellowstone. Our favorite character John Dutton seeks for a revenge in All I See Is You, the latest episode 3 of Yellowstone. So do watch this video till the end to know how John is going to take his revenge. Yellowstone is an American drama television series created by Taylor Sheridan and John Linson that premiered on June 20, 2018 on the Paramount Network. It stars Kevin Costner, Wes Bentley, Kelly Riley, Luke Grimes, Cole Hauser, and Gil Birmingham. The series follows the conflicts along the shared borders of a large cattle ranch, a native reservation, and land developers. In June 2019, Paramount Network renewed the series for a third season, which premiered on June 21, 2020. In February 2020, and ahead of the premiere of its third season, Paramount Network renewed the series for a fourth season, which was the most anticipated season by the fans all around the world because of the cliffhanger of season 3 finale. And finally, the fourth season premiered on November 7, 2021. In the second episode, John is eventually released from the hospital, though he is still shaken by the health consequences of his multiple gunshot wounds. His son also recovers from the wounds that he suffered during the firefight with the escaping suspects, where all the 4 suspects were killed. And while at the hospital seeing to her father's release, Beth takes interest in a 14-year-old boy at the hospital who witnesses the death of his heroin-addicted father. She grows to befriend him, seeing him harden his reaction to his own father's death, and decides to offer him the possibility of adoption into her own family as her adopted son. In this week's episode of Yellowstone, which is entitled All I See Is You, John Dutton, played by Kevin Costner, seeks revenge for the coordinated attack that was planned against him and his family with the help of some unexpected allies. Meanwhile, Case solves a problem with an unconventional method. Beth gives Carter his options and Jimmy prepares for a change. In the third episode, we tend to assume that the more drama is coming around the corner. Of course, this is perhaps true for Jamie Dutton more than anyone else. Over the years of Yellowstone history, we've learned a lot about this character, from his desire for respect to the anger he holds towards his adoptive father and the rest of his family. And now it seems like he's used a lot of that in order to make his next move. His next move is huge, as he plans to buy his own ranch. We have to admit that this was one of the last things that we saw him doing, and it's also something that makes us a little more skeptical that he is the one who is behind all these attempts on his family's life. After all, a large part of his motive for doing this seems to be to prove that he needs them alive in order to boast about his new accomplishment. If they are not around, to whom will he be able to boast? How can he prove to them that he doesn't need them anymore? He may not want them around, but he still wants them to exist on some level so that he could show off to some extent. What we possibly think is that one of Jimmy's topmost primary endgames is to make sure that his family knows how successful he is becoming. Whether or not his biological father agrees with this, though, this is the thing that remains to be seen. We know so little about the guy that it's still easy to imagine that he is somehow the one who is behind the attack, despite it being very much unclear on how he would have all the resources necessary to hire all of these people. However, as the season progresses with more new episodes, we're pretty much sure that more answers will come about Jamie and everyone else. But for the time being, it's clear that Yellowstone Season 4 is fine to take its time handling some of them down. New episodes of Yellowstone premieres on Sunday at 8 p.m. on Paramount Network. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Yellowstone as it comes in. We will have all the burning Yellowstone spoilers, updates, and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.